Hi guys, I'm Diamond Janae and I live in Los Angeles. Up until about a year ago, I was a technical designer in the fashion industry, and now me and my toddler run a YouTube channel where we do fashion hauls and food tastings. I should be on Nailed It because I'll totally nail it. Okay, I'm reading the recipe for margarita cupcakes. The ingredients are 1C of all-purpose flour. I have no clue what that is. I know what flour is. I don't know what C means, but a scant 3/4 C sugar, 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 3 tea butter at room temperature. I don't know what tea is either. A 1/2 C of whole milk. Is this English? And then there's buttercream frosting that I'm not making because I like whipped cream frosting. Is it whipped cream? Cream cheese. I like cream cheese frosting. There you go. Okay, the directions. Prepare the cupcakes. Put the flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and butter in a mixing bowl. Beat on slow speed until everything is combined and you have a crumb mixture with a steady consistency. Gradually pour in half of the milk. Beat until the milk is just incorporated. And beat until all ingredients are just incorporated. I'm not sure why I keep saying just incorporated. I beat it a little bit, not a lot. I guess, right? Beat for another 30 seconds to 1 minute until the batter is smooth. Do not overmix. And that's it. And now I'm nervous. Cause look, okay, I usually do these kind of cupcakes where it's like 3 steps and it's not made from scratch. But for some reason, I got a feeling that you guys want me to make it from scratch. And I ain't never did that before. Okay, the recipe says 1 C of flour, which I learned was cup, so you know, don't judge me. This is like my 1 cup. It's a cup, measurement cup. Okay. So that's that. And then it says 3/4 tea. No. Okay, 3/4 cup. A scant 3/4. Google said that means not exactly 3/4. And since I don't have a 3/4 cup, I was gonna guess it anyway. So I'm just kind of eyeballing 3/4. If it's a little extra sweet, that never killed nobody. Okay, flour, sugar, baking powder. So it says I don't have like teaspoons, tablespoons, measurement thingies. I have a regular spoon that looks smaller than my other spoons, so I'm gonna assume that's the teaspoon. And I'm going to just take that, boom. So I've never baked like from scratch. I've kind of only done like these little box things. And they don't take all this, so I'm trying. Whew. Okay, butter. So, a pinch of salt. That's a pinch. I don't know, cause I'm black, so we go a little overboard on the salt, but I don't know. By the way, I washed my hands before I started. I just thought I should note that because I be watching the show and y'all don't be washing your hands and y'all be licking your fingers and stuff and people gotta eat that and that's nasty. But anyways, let's see. Let's go. It's not like crummy, it's like, okay. I don't like it. I think maybe the butter wasn't melted enough. It's not cold butter though. It sat out for a minute. Hi, Dad. Sorry, my toddler is running around. I am trying to make a cake for Daddy and for Nailed It. What are you doing? And I'm spilling stuff and making a mess.
Yeah, Mom.
What? You said stop. Why?
Mom.
Why?
Yeah.
It's for Daddy. Y'all, this stressing me out. It's not doing.
Yeah.
Look, it just. I don't have patience for this already. Beat on the blah, blah, blah. Gradually pour in half of the milk combined and you have a crumb. Oh, I forgot the milk. Oh, half cup. And milk. Boom. Boom shakalaka boom shaka. I'm getting somewhere. Okay, so this is all a guessing game too because it says half the cup. So I'm just gonna guess what a half of it is. Boom. I might be getting somewhere, y'all. I am awesome. And a little more because I like vanilla. I don't know how to do lime zest. Maybe with this thing? Ah! Alright, that's it. We're gonna put it in the pan. Okay guys, the timer is going off on the stove. So I think they're done. Whew. Okay, so to decorate them, well, turn the oven off. That's dangerous. My husband yells at me for that like all the time. I always forget to turn the oven off. Oops. Okay, I'm just gonna take 2 off to decorate. But I think they have to cool off first. So we wait. Drum solo. I don't know, if I put them in the fridge, would they cool off faster? Let's try it. Let's see what happens. Dance party. Ah, dance party. I forgot to put it in the cake mix. So I was like, oh, I just put some in this spoon, let it fill up, and then I just mixed it up and let it sit while the cake was cooking because I didn't know what else to do. Boom, boom, boom. It's still hot. Dang it. Whatever. Let's give it a shot, right? And this is warm. Maybe something should have been cold. Maybe I shouldn't have left the icing out. All right, that's about as good as it gets. Nailed it. Something. I say I nailed it. Nailed it.
With a body like that, shawty, you should be famous.